Go to project.vishtik.com. Click on the Planset button. Here you have to fill the project details. Select your project type. Enter name. Enter your email and phone number. Email and phone number fields is not mandatory. If you don't want to share, you can skip these fields. Enter your location and simply click on Submit button. Now we need some more details about your project. We are going to explain that field one by one. Please listen carefully. Enter the homeowner's details, name, email, and address. Choose whether a PE stamp is required. If yes, select the stamp type, electrical, structural, or both. Moving on to sub-panel details, fill in the necessary information, including the interconnection method. Choose the interconnection method from the drop-down list, AC disconnect, production meter, and job type. Enter electrical information such as MSP busbar rating and MSP breaker rating, and attach necessary photos and maps. For attachments, choose the make from the drop-down list. If your desired make isn't available, feel free to manually type it, and it will be accepted as entered. Similarly, select the model from the drop-down list or type it manually if needed. List the equipment details including system size and whether optimizer or rapid shutdown is required. Now, provide structural information. Select structure type, roof, ground mount, both, carport. Attachment make and model, rail make and model. For attachment make and model, rail make and model, select the make and model following the same process. Choose from the drop-down list or manually enter if necessary. In the General Information section, input the AHJ name, utility name, governing codes, risk category, and exposure category. Remember, all fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory. From here you can attach supportive documents for the project. Additionally, you can include any additional notes for our Vishtik designer engineers to follow. Once completed, you can directly submit the project by clicking on the Save and Submit button. Your project is successfully added. Click on Confirm button. Now you can see your request here. You can track your new requests by clicking on Dashboard. Click on New Request button. And here you can see your all new requests.